My name is Ashish Panjabi. I'm the Chief Operating Officer of Jacky's Business Solutions and also the President of TAI Dubai. So we've seen a number of robotic solutions that are there. We've obviously got what we call the public-facing robots or the public life robots, which are more there in terms of providing a lot of the customer guidance and happiness. Those have been there for a number of years. We've been doing that with Pepper and Temi. What we're also launching this year is now a lot more of the service robots as well. So we have the delivery robots, which we've been having, which have been initially in the F&B sector, but now moving into brand activations and sampling. So we're starting to see that segment develop, where it's turning more into robot as a service over there as such. The third area, of course, has been other applications. So we've had cleaning robots, which are starting to get used a lot more commercially, where they can do the job of a human a lot more efficiently, and the humans focus on the core area, which is the spot cleaning. So with everything after COVID, we've seen the emphasis in terms of sanitation, hygiene, housekeeping take a lot more importance, and that becomes something that happens in the first 2 shifts of the day, not just at the graveyard shift anymore. So it's all coming down to looking at it in terms of what you want to do. If it's being used commercially, it's how much more has it created brand awareness, has it created sales, because in some cases you can sell directly from there. In other cases, it's about efficiency. How much more efficient is an organization, is a person over there? In the case of, for example, cleaning, we want to get as much of the area clean. But if a human is walking over the vacuum cleaner, they may be cleaning over the same spot 3 times, but ignoring another spot over there completely. So this is something that a robot does far better. But what the human does is clean the surfaces. So we see in terms of that a better activation and better application of those resources. So it really is about what they want at the end of the day. So the easy way to think of it is compare it to a smartphone. A smartphone comes in with all the cameras and sensors. It's the applications that you develop on the smartphone that actually give it the capability. So it's exactly the same thing with this technology over here. A robotic arm, a humanoid robot, a service robot have got all the cameras and sensors within them. It's what you design and program it for. Now, a lot of what we're actually doing is moving into the software space also and giving solutions that help automate and actually simplify this. So we have got robot content management systems. So as you would, for example, design a website with a Wix.com or Squarespace, we've got those solutions with us where you can actually design what the robot does for you in a much more user-friendly fashion. So we are starting to see a lot more maturity in terms of use cases coming in over here. The one benefit we've had being in the Middle East and being in this region is the propensity and the willingness to explore and try new technologies and applications has been there. The demand actually comes more from the customers to us asking, can we do this? Can we design a solution for this? Because they're actually thinking further ahead. I was talking to some colleagues from Europe, and they're talking more from the point of view that they're having to sell an idea. Over here, the ideas have been given to us, and they're saying, can you implement it this way? So I think we're fortunate in that whether we look at the government over here, which has been extremely forward-thinking, banking, retail, hospitality, they're looking at what can be done, and they're actually coming with it and looking at it from a multi-platform experience. The online experience, the physical experience, and merging all of those together. So what we've actually showcasing this year at GITEX has been the plural avatar solution. The avatar solution is something we actually started at Giordano recently as a test case in the region. There are a couple of cases in Europe that they did as well. But basically the plural avatar solution gives the brand a personality, and that personality can be designed for the brand and can be kept in a store. Could be on a tablet, could be on a robot, could be on an LCD screen, but also could be on your smartphone. And it allows you to start interacting with the avatar, much as you would with a human in many ways. So what it also can do is, at the end of the experience, is alert a human to come in and take over from there, once it understands your needs and your requirements. So a lot of that work can be done more efficiently that way. It also gives a lot of data in terms of interactions, what people are interacting, what are they asking about, how many people have signed up for a membership scheme, for example, or anything of that sort. So it's actually been fantastic. Today, as TAI, we're mentoring close to about 60 different startups across different industries and different sectors. But what's also been more exciting is the nature of these businesses. you can't really box them into just calling them EdTech or FinTech or anything like that. They're actually looking at real world problems and coming up with a solution that will use an element of FinTech, will use an element of EdTech or whatever else out there over there. This year at GITEX, we're running the Thai Women MENA competition. So as Thai Dubai, we actually ran 5 competitions across the region in Egypt, Saudi Arabia, Levant, the UAE, and what we call Rome, the rest of the Middle East. And we've had 5 winners from there who are going to go into a global final in Hyderabad this December and compete against 35 other women for $100,000 in prize money, all equity free. But we've also brought the 5 winners to GITEX because this is the best place for them to actually connect and meet people. So they will be connecting with investors, with VCs over here, but they're also going to be in a business pitch competition and competing against each other, where EN, which is at the start capital, will be actually giving $25,000 in prize money for the winner, and the next runner-up gets another $10,000. Again, all equity free. But they're getting the access and opportunities that maybe they wouldn't come to them otherwise. And then we're actually looking at it from a point of view of what more can we do within the community? How many more people can these women inspire over here?